This is a presentation about SenseIT IoT, an Internet of Things application that captures critical data from around the world in real time. SenseIT captures data from different sensor manufacturers, uploads the data to SenseIT's cloud, standardizes the record format, and inserts the data into a HANA database. SenseIT can be used with direct ERP integration, such as SAP Business One, or without ERP integration using SenseIT's own portal, or in combination of the two. In the not-too-distant future, a set of APIs will be developed to support loosely coupled integration with other ERPs and transportation management systems. This presentation follows a shipment of critical and expensive pharmaceuticals costing about $7,000 to $9,000 per vial from a United Health Services facility in Binghamton, New York, directly to a patient's home. The pharmaceutical is expensive, but the real value is the patient need. The medicine must arrive on time and cannot be compromised during shipment. In this case, the temperature cannot exceed preset maximum and minimum thresholds. These shipments are performed in concert with United Health Services, Trios, a specialized life sciences logistics firm, and Domain Consulting Group. The sensor selected to monitor these shipments is the Emerson Go Real-Time XL. This sensor is a one-time use sensor and is accurate to 2 decimal places, or 1/100th of a degree. It is important to note sensors used for shipment of pharmaceuticals must be calibrated, and this sensor is calibrated. The sensor is extremely easy to use. It ships with a paper tab running down the front. Users activate the sensor by pulling the tab out of the container, at which point the batteries make contact and the sensor begins beaconing. SenseIT captures and stores temperature data in Celsius to support the international and scientific community. SenseIT is flexible. Users wishing to see temperature displayed and reported in Fahrenheit can do so by changing the display setting. For these temperature-sensitive shipments, the sensor is placed in a styrofoam ice pack. The combined package is the medicine, the sensor, and the ice pack. The package is placed in the styrofoam container and then sealed. This shipment is perishable, valuable, and critical. This shipment is established from within SAP Business One using the SenseIT IoT add-on. This is a standard Business One delivery note, and the line item is defined to ship the pharmaceutical. From the delivery note, we go to the packing slip where we define the package. We place the item, the pharmaceutical, in the package. The system assigns a number to it. It's important to note the number because that is the link between the sensor and the package. We also can assign the tracking number if we have it. Therefore, within one logical link, we have the package, a tracking number, and a sensor. Now we access the add-on sensor configuration page. From here we select package, as previously discussed. We select a sensor from this customer's sensor inventory. This pulls in our internal sensor ID and the sensor's serial number, which is needed to connect to the sensor to the cloud. We enter the planned, begin, date and time. SenseIT also supports actual begin and end date and time to reflect the shipment more accurately. We can indicate if the product is hazardous and or perishable. In this case, it is perishable, but not hazardous. We next establish the thresholds. This product cannot go below 2 degrees centigrade or above 8 degrees centigrade. If it does, an immediate alert is sent to this contact information, which is established in the header of this document. The user now selects Update, and that initiates an API call to Emerson to provision the sensor in the cloud. This shipment is now live and tracking location and recording data, in this case, temperature. This is the geospatial view of this shipment. It's a local shipment, so the map is enlarged. In this case, there are no red trucks, meaning that the temperature was not exceeded. Had it been exceeded, the icon would be red and an alert would have been sent to the contact. When we hover over a truck, the underlying data is displayed and you can see the longitude, latitude, and temperature. None of the other data points at this point, except for the date and time, are pertinent to this trip. The SenseIT data can be reviewed and analyzed from 4 perspectives. 1, the raw database can be used for deep analytics by an expert. 2, an export to a spreadsheet for end-user manipulation. 3, the graphic that you see in the right-hand column. And the 4th is SenseIT's own summary report. In addition to temperature, SenseIT can sense GPS location, humidity, impact and tilt on 3 axes, and light. And SenseIT is designed to be flexible to bring on new measurements simply and fast. In addition to pharmacy, other SenseIT use cases are food, plants, fine cabinetry and woodwork, and electronics. Thank you for your attention to SenseIT IoT and this shipment of valuable pharmaceuticals. There are several other YouTube presentations covering sensitive shipments of chemicals, fine cabinetry and woodwork, and electronics. You are welcome to view those as well. If you are interested to learn more about SenseIT IoT and how it may fit into your environment, please contact us using the information on the slide. Once again, thank you for your attention.